In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Tim Hortons gift card balance. We'll walk through each step together, so by the end you'll be confident in managing your card. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or any other you are comfortable using. From there, navigate to your search bar and type in Tim Hortons. This simple search will bring up the official Tim Hortons website, which is the first step to accessing your gift card information. It's important to use a trustworthy browser to ensure your connection is secure. This matters because it keeps your personal information safe from potential threats. Once you have your search results, locate the correct link to the Tim Hortons website. You should look for the link that includes timhortons.com. Clicking on the right link is crucial as it leads you to the official site where your information can be accessed safely. You will see the homepage loading, which is your gateway to all the features Tim Hortons offers. Now, the next step is to log into your Tim Hortons account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Enter your email and password in the designated fields. Logging in ensures that only you can access your gift card details and manage your account. Once you are logged in, you will notice a more personalized interface that identifies you as the account holder. After logging in, look for the Tim's gift card option. It is usually displayed prominently on the homepage or under a menu tab. Clicking on this option takes you directly to the section where you can manage your gift card. This little step saves you time as it directs you straight to the relevant area without having to navigate through unrelated content. At this point, you will see an option to transfer balance from another Tim card. Go ahead and select this option. You might wonder why this step is included. It's because it allows you not only to check your balance but also to combine balances if you have multiple cards. This feature is particularly useful if you want to consolidate funds onto one card. Now, enter your 16-digit card number and the PIN associated with your gift card. These numbers are usually found on the back of your card. It's essential to enter them accurately to avoid any errors. Once you've entered the information, click Continue. This action will display your current gift card balance. Seeing your balance gives you a clear idea of how much you have left to spend. At this stage, you might decide to transfer your balance or simply keep track of it. Either way, you have successfully checked your Tim Hortons gift card balance. Remember, checking your balance regularly helps you manage your funds more effectively. Whether you're planning a small treat or a coffee run for the team, knowing your balance ensures you won't run out unexpectedly. With these steps complete, you're now equipped with the knowledge to manage your Tim Hortons gift card effectively. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Have a great day and enjoy your next visit to Tim Hortons.